Gold daily chart after big crash last week. Now everyone asking same question which I asked last week. Is this double top or end of gold bull market? Because right now this is number one question and everyone expect this is technical double top. So traders are asking about Elliott wave counting, impulsive wave 1 subdivided into 5 impulsive wave, Biden premature rate cut 50 basis point, then counter trend correction wave 2, Trump election, then on name of tariff, price goes up. But last week when China trade deal came, market gap down on Monday and big crash and price retraced back to almost 3100. First double top, then big crash. Majority of market think this is our top. When this final fifth wave came, I updated before peak. Everyone asking why new final fifth wave. But same problem is happening now. Traders are saying there will be one more fifth wave. I don't know, but this is my wave counting from this bottom 1 year ago to this top near 3500. These are my 5 impulsive wave. I think all of them are complete. From this top, from 5th impulsive wave, like expecting, which I have been saying since the beginning of second quarter, gold is doing its new sideways range, a new big size correction like it did 1 year ago. But correction length, the height top to low, it is bigger than last time. So this is my wave counting, all 5 wave complete. I think gold made double top near 3430, but right now after breakdown of 3200 last week, maximum negativity about gold. I updated this thing in premium video just few hours after this final bottom last week. Gold need big upside correction because right now almost everyone they are bearish on gold and everyone think this is top, but it need a correction and no limit for correction. It can be 38 to 78%. Because think this way, US China trade deal, tariff goes down, gold collapse because of trade deal uncertainty. But there is a problem. Number one gold consumer market China, because of China embargo, 145% tariff rate on China, factories were closed and big economic collapse in China because of huge tariff rate. Now tariff cut in 1 week, big wave, all of those factories will reopen and all the export import which were collapsed between USA and China. So USA need to buy lots of manufacturing good from China before store run out of manufacturing good, before consumers start buying again. Because of that, there will be huge economic activity in USA and China. And this is happening without 0% Fed interest rate, without QE, without any money printing policy. Plus number two gold consumer market India, marriage buying season almost started, big buying wave coming. Same like 1 year ago when there was huge tax cut, before buying session everyone started buying. So price came down in Indian gold market from 100k before peak buying session. So cheap gold price, that correction can attract so many buyer. But when party over, then we will decide what was the volume. But right now, because of China factory reopen like lockdown and India marriage season, huge buying wave from two gold consumer market, they are coming, all of them at same time. Because of that, very hard for gold to stay below 3200. It will do a correction. It will stay up. And third reason, your USA, because producer will buy lots of China good before store become totally empty. There is a big short-term economic boom is coming in USA. So again, that is inflation trade. Fed said wait and see mode, but in June FOMC meeting, next 1 month starting Monday, if Fed cut interest rate or they have to revise down their SEP, which is copy paste since December last year, then any region, either market crash or big economic collapse in any economic indicator. So any reason Fed use to cut interest rate, and they are cutting in coming inflation wave. Since tariff rate are going down, trade deal are happening. Because of that, there will be big economic boom in USA, and Fed cannot cut. Otherwise, that will be same mistake like 1 year ago. So upside target we will decide, because we do not have data and it will take time. How much gold they bought in China and India, but I can say price will stay about 3200. And once counter trend correction over, like next 1 month, because of double top, price will break down this trend line in future, but counter trend correction first. Because at final fifth wave, price tested static support level, a big trend line, and 50 and 61% retracement of this final fifth wave. Huge support zone, so technical buying. At the same time, economic boom in two big gold consumer market and number one economy USA. So all the people who were dumping stagflation at top, below 3200 stagflation came once again. So as long as economic boom happening in China, India and USA, stagflation risk is back once again. Before Monday market open, stagflation mean dump bond and buy gold. Huge news, US debt downgrade. So everyone is expecting before Monday market open, because of US debt downgrade, gold can jump once again. But these are narrative to hide stagflation trade. They raise tariff, they cut tariff. Because of that, hidden economic boom is coming. Weekly candle, that was a big sell off in gold after a long time. Counter trend correction coming. Monthly chart, third and C wave, big rejection from 61% projection, 3279. Let's see monthly closing. But this level from monthly time frame is still big static resistance. So same like 1 year ago during this sideways range, same to same condition are happening once again. Stagflation risk is back, and to hide stagflation narrative, let's see what they do. One more hot war, and US debt downgrade. That news already waiting for Monday market open, market reaction. In simple way, you can say price will stay out this static support 3230 and this big trend line. If you see intraday H4 for all clear beginner setup, price came down wave A, goes up counter trend correction wave V, collapse in wave C on tariff reduction. So top to bottom, this previous wave 50 and 61% retracement complete, big rejection last week. When you do counting from top, Then 100% projection for wave C, complete exactly 3136, and big rejection from that support area. So entire trend top to bottom, this AVC wave need a correction which started last week. Price will stay our psychological level 3200 and get ready for counter trend correction in final wave C. That's when one more high will come. Price can go up to 3300. But it is a counter trend correction. After India marriage party over, price will break down this trend line.